Alright, now we're going to be removing a BCM, body control module, and a power relay module as well. So this is on the passenger side. We have the battery out, so your battery will be right here. I would recommend you to disconnect your battery before removing any of the modules. So we have the battery disconnected, so we're going to move forward. Alright, so this is your power relay module. Very common issue with these cars. So this is your engine computer module, ECU. And usually these plugs, you have to remove them in order, because otherwise you're not going to be fully, or you're not going to be able to fully open the plug to pull it out. So that's one at a time. Okay, so that's your engine computer module. Now we're going to be removing the body control module, BCM. Alright, so this plastic cap, it goes out, and then you're going to be able to pull the plug out. Alright, so it's your BCM module.